Dear students, in continuation to the structure and the functions of different human male reproductive systems, there are some accessory or secondary genital glands in addition to the testes and its associated structures. These are of three types. The first one is seminal vesicles. This is also one part of the male reproductive system or secondary genital gland. It is one pair of seminal vesicles. Each of them is 5 centimeters in size. They are muscular. There are no bones, totally muscular, and are sacculated glands containing sac-like structures. They are sacculated, present in the pelvic region of the human beings, between bladder and the rectum. Between bladder and the rectum. Bladder is the urinogenital part, and the urinal part, excretory part, associated with the kidneys, and rectum is the digestive part. In between, there is what we call as seminal vesicles. Secretion of the seminal vesicles forms about 60 to 70%. What we see in the spermatics composition, that is called as semen, and is normally mainly formed of fructose. The seminal vesicle secretion that is mainly formed of fructose. Fructose is a kind of disaccharide sugar. It also contains citrates. The secretion from the seminal vesicles also contains fructose. The first is the fructose, second is the citrate. One more thing, there are several proteins present in the seminal fluid, and prostaglandins are there, which activate the spermatozoa and stimulate vaginal contractions to help in fusion of gametes. One more secondary genital glands they are called as prostate glands. Prostate glands. These glands are present. Prostate gland. It is large, chestnut-shaped, spongy, and lobulated tubulo-alveolar gland. It is chestnut-shaped gland, one in number. It is spongy in nature, and it is lobulated, containing lobules. Surrounds the proximal part of the urethra. It pours its alkaline solution into urethra by 20 to 30 openings. There are 20 to 30 openings by which it pours its secretion into the urethra. It contains some lipids, a small amount of citric acid, bicarbonate ions, and some enzymes. The secretions contain lipids, that is fats. There are also some amounts of citric acid. Citric acid is the derivative salt, and some enzymes, fibrinolysin. The function of prostate gland is to secrete the part of the substance that is called as prostate solution. That is 20% of the semen part that activates the sperms, provides nutrition to the sperms, and neutralizes the acidity of the urine, and adjusts vaginal pH. This is the gland. This is the function of the prostate glands. Then there are one more. They are called as Cowper's glands, or what we call as bulbourethral glands. These are one pair. Bulbourethral glands are one pair, P-shaped. They are T-shaped, tubulo-alveolar glands. present at the base of pens. They are present at the base of the pens. They secrete mucus-like alkaline substance prior to ejaculation that lubricates the pens for frictionless movements of pens during copulation. This is all about the secondary genital glands of male or accessory glands, seminal vesicles and their secretions, Copper's glands and prostate gland. That's all for today.